Hello, my name is Pragan Koirala, and I'm presenting on behalf of Group 41, and my student ID is OED3117. This presentation is for our HI6037 Business Analytics Fundamental Assignment. We used Power BI to explore sales data and identify key insights that help in better business decision. In this presentation, I'll discuss mainly the four main analysis: maximum longitude analysis, 2017 gross margin performance, maximum discount, and maximum sales price. Moving on to the first slide, maximum longitude analysis. The city of Agawam has the easternmost location in our dataset with longitude of 43.05 degrees. The location of the factory plays a very important role in supply chain and distribution strategy. Having a store or warehouse in east can help companies deliver products faster to surrounding regions. It also supports the creation of an efficient logistic network. We used Power BI's map visuals to easily spot the geographical detail, which makes analysis more intuitive. This shows how combining location data and visual improves the better business decisions. 2017 state gross margin performance. So basically, in 2017, the store in Agora Hills had the highest gross margin with 1596.74. The second highest was Anchorage with the result of $442 profit margin. Uh, the difference the difference between the highest and the lowest margin from 969.42 to 59.28 suggests a significant difference. This wide gap suggests that each region performs differently, and companies should develop region-specific strategies. For example, high margin locations can be used to introduce premium products, while low performing areas may need low cost measures. Power BI visuals made it easy to compare and interpret the performance across the states. Maximum discount analysis. One of the surprising finding was it at store ST968, where the maximum discount was given, was $1077.59. It was the maximum discount that was recorded in the data. Such a large discount can mean a store is trying to clear inventory quickly or attempting to be more competitive. However, giving big discount can reduce overall profit margins. It's important for managers to monitor profit closely when applying aggressive pricing strategy. The tool Power BI helped us clearly identify this outlier and understand how discounts vary at stores. This type of analysis helps companies avoid financial risks while planning promotions. 2017 maximum sales price. The highest unit sales price recorded in 2017 was in Agawam, where a product was sold at $6.11. In comparison, Emerson had a maximum price of 4.10, which is about $2 lower. This tells us that Agawam customers may be willing to pay more, possibly due to better product quality or maybe brand perceptions as well. Using a premium pricing strategy in such markets can improve both brand image and profit. So this is all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Raj Patel. My student ID is ZZ37798. Today I am talking about my presentation is 2070 lowest profit analysis. Let's take a closer look at the year 2070, which is standard out of the company's weakest performance in terms of gross profit. That year we only made around 1,23,196, and which is significantly lower than both 2016 and 2018. If we look at the number, the drop from 2017 to 2017 is dramatically. In 2016, we were seeing profit of over 2,88,000. So that's more than a 57% decline in just a year. Even in 2018, while there was a slightly recovery to around 1,91,115, we were still far off from the performance of 2016. According to Soar and Atkins, such as a sharp drop can often be linked to broader market conditions or internal hurdles that were not addressed in times. That highlights that improvements of deeper analysis. To get better insights, especially the product level, I needed to use Power BI filtering capabilities that will help identify which products or segments underperformed and why. It could be due to the external market changes or internal issue like preconic cost and inventory decisions. Overall, 2017 as a red flags and remembered of how important it is constantly monitor and analyze performance, not just at the top lines but also in detail. Yeah. After that, I talk about picnic strategy. When we think about picnic strategy, it's not just about the setting a number, it's about understanding the bigger picture, your market position, your margin, and how picnic decision today can affect a long-term performance. To start a premium picnics only works is customers see the value. Businesses need to constantly maintain their reputations and offer something meaningful in the market as maintain it up. Suggest if we changes more, we must deliver more. Next, discounting can be powerful tools, but it comes with risk. It not carefully managed, it can eat away the profit margin. So we have to be strategic, ensuring that and discounting we do still support our possibility and long-term goals. There's also a lot of rooms and optimizing, especially when it's come to regional precise freezing. Water work is one market might work in another, so flexibility and local insight are key. Although our pricing strategy should be balanced, flexible, and rooted in both value of data. After that, I talk about 2016 highest profit analysis. Let's look at the stronger year in our analysis 2016. The company achieved its highest gross profit the year. Total at just over 2,88,857 according to Nebel et al. That's a standout performance compared to the year that followed. To put it is a preparative, this profit was almost three times higher than in 2017, which was our lowest performing year. That year alone contributed to 48% of the total gross profit across the 3 year periods. So we can ignore it. It's understanding what worked in 2016 could help us replicate or adapt that success moving forward. And finally, as the data suggests, it's critical to break down cost and profit by product. And my last slides, I talk about dashboard one, comparative business performance analysis and product performance metrics. Standing with the trends lines at the top left, we can see a clear declines in gross margin from 200 units down the near zero, which align with and this drop suggested that over time profitability become increasingly squeezed, linked due to the picnic. pressure and resign cost. Now look at geographic data, and when we break down preclinic data, we can see apparel and household categories dominate both in price and volume. And so overall, this is dashboard retail that while some categories and regionals perform well, there is a clear downward trend in margins and sales price that needed further investigation. We should use these insights to dig deeper into cost control, pricing strategies, and regional performance improvements.
Hello friends, my name is Ruchi and my student ID is LGB3079. Today I am going to talk about my business analytics and fundamentals presentation about products in Evermum. Sales of buckets, nails, tarps and water products was reported for $6.1111. Equitable premium pricing among all the products is mark of strong at $5.66. Boots, gloves came next with rain jackets finishing the list. A wide range of products sold at premium cost might mean that the market welcomes the products. Now I am talking about the historical sale price of performances. In 2016, the original sales price were highest at about 2,650. The cryptocurrency fell close to 2001 in both 2017 and 2018. During our company's peak performance year, it indicates that the market was strong, as you can see in the chart. The business declines later and changes in the market call for a new strategies. Now I will talk about the 2016 category fixed price and analysis. The category of apparel consistently had the greatest fixed price in 2016. Household supplies stayed in second place around 6,000 and 7,000 per month. Fixed price totals in camping and grocery were not as high as those in other categories. Categories performance differences can show that the some products have higher demand and cost than the others. As you can see at the chart, now I am going to talk about lowest gross margin analysis. The lowest gross margin happened in July 2016 at $60.70 a month. Daily closes dropped from $2,000 in March to values in the 150 range by July 2016. A noticeable drop of 65 and 70% in your total profit margins just that your operations of your market is seriously struggling. A trend of declining profits may result from supply chain competition or strategic challenges. As you can see in the graph from the year 2000, March 2016 to July 2016. With the next, my friend will be explain next slides. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Boyd, student number KC3389. I'll be taking you through dashboard 2 and 3. Dashboard 2 includes the comprehensive performance analysis with revenue, regional, category performance matrices. So you're able to see from the dashboard 2, sales amounts are based on the company has a gross profit of between 200 to 400. This is according to Sanabia, Lizaka et al. 2024 part 11. When you see more than 12.88 of the market share is from California, which stands for 77,678, the value of the state gross profit. In sales, apparel is by far the strongest category, accounting for nearly 1 million hours observed on dashboard. And data on regional longitude shows the values are falling as one moves from Atlantic towards the south. Region 8050 tops gross profit for the company with roughly 200k euros. That's coding the analysis for dashboard 2. And when we check on the dashboard 3 is comprehensive business performance analysis with the matrices state, category, and store performance matrix. We can observe from the graph that California sees the most gross profit, which is over 77.68K, and is important for the total profit. The household category as well exceeds all others in gross profit at 326.83K. When you check on the sum of stores used here shows that performance is decreasing as you go from the top stores to the bottom. On the other hand, sales revenue is highest at approximately 500 units sold when distributed by normal probability. Sales price also has been observed to vary from 0.4 million in California to nothing in the other states. So in conclusion, we'll be able to observe that restaurant chains are choosing areas in the east as places for higher priced outlets, and the company is placing top priority on apparel while working to improve segments with low performance, including real-time analysis to assist in both creation of seasonal plans and predicting uh, future results. So this makes us also conclude that making Power BI dashboards better for making quick decisions in real time. Thank you.